We've all heard of the law of attraction. It's a concept that has gained immense popularity over the years, promising to bring our desires into reality through the power of positive thinking and visualization. But what if I told you that the law of attraction is just the beginning? It's a powerful concept, but it's only the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface lies a much greater force, a force that can truly transform your life in ways you never imagined. Imagine a force 10 times stronger, a guiding principle that can truly revolutionize your life. This force is not just about thinking positively or visualizing your goals. It's about tapping into a deeper, more profound energy that exists within you. This force exists within you, waiting to be unleashed. It's the power of aligning your beliefs and actions with your highest excitement, the things that truly light you up and make you feel alive. When you align with your highest excitement, you tap into a wellspring of energy and creativity that propels you forward. It's the power of aligning your beliefs and actions with your highest excitement. This isn't just about positive thinking or wishful dreaming. It's about taking inspired action, fueled by a deep, visceral feeling of excitement that propels you towards your dreams. It's about living in a state of flow, where everything you do feels effortless and joyful. It's about tapping into a deep, visceral feeling of excitement that fuels your actions and propels you towards your dreams. This energy is magnetic, drawing to you the people, resources, and opportunities you need to succeed. When you are in this state, you become a magnet for success. This energy is magnetic, drawing to you the people, resources, and opportunities you need to succeed. It's like the universe conspires to help you achieve your goals. You start to notice synchronicities and coincidences that guide you on your path. Forget everything you thought you knew about manifesting your desires. It's time to delve deeper, to connect with the raw, authentic energy of excitement that resides within you. This is not about forcing things to happen or struggling to achieve your goals. It's time to delve deeper, to connect with the raw, authentic energy of excitement that resides within you. When you tap into this energy, you align with your true purpose and passion. You start to live a life that feels meaningful and fulfilling. Are you ready to unlock a life of purpose, passion, and extraordinary fulfillment? The journey begins with a single step, a step towards aligning with your highest excitement. Embrace this force within you and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. Think about a time you felt truly excited. Close your eyes and let that memory wash over you. Was it a moment of pure joy, a burst of enthusiasm, or a sense of thrilling anticipation? Maybe it was the anticipation of a trip, the excitement of exploring new places, meeting new people, and experiencing different cultures. The thrill of stepping into the unknown with a heart full of curiosity and wonder. Or perhaps it was the thrill of a new project, the spark of creativity igniting your passion, the joy of collaborating with like-minded individuals, and the satisfaction of seeing your ideas come to life. Or the joy of connecting with someone special, the warmth of a loved one's embrace, the laughter shared with friends, the deep conversations that make you feel understood and valued. Now remember that feeling. That's high excitement. It's not fleeting happiness or fleeting contentment. It's a profound sense of fulfillment that lingers, a state of being that resonates deeply within you. High excitement is a sustained state of being, a continuous flow of energy that keeps you motivated and inspired. It's the drive that pushes you to pursue your passions, to excel in your endeavors, and to live life to the fullest. It's a deep-seated knowing that you're aligned with your soul's purpose. It's the inner compass that guides you towards your true calling, the whisper of your heart that tells you you're on the right path. It's the feeling of being fully alive, engaged and passionate about your life. It's the zest that makes every moment vibrant, the enthusiasm that colors your days with joy and excitement. When you make decisions from this state, you are in tune with your highest self. You are guided by intuition, driven by passion, and supported by the universe. When you make decisions from this state, you tap into an unseen power. You become a magnet for positive energy, attracting opportunities and experiences that align with your highest good. The universe conspires to support you. Doors open effortlessly, opportunities present themselves, and you find yourself in the right place at the right time. the universe conspires to support you. Doors open effortlessly, opportunities present themselves, and you move through life with grace and ease. You are in the flow, and everything falls into place. And you move through life with grace and ease. You walk with confidence, knowing that you are supported by the universe. You embrace each day with a sense of purpose and joy. High excitement is your birthright. It's the natural state of being that you were born to experience. It's the essence of who you are, the spark of divinity within you. It's time to reclaim it. Embrace your high excitement, follow your passions, and live your life to the fullest. The world is waiting for you to shine. Imagine your excitement is like a powerful engine, and your beliefs and actions are the fuel. When your beliefs are aligned with your excitement, your actions naturally follow. If you believe you're worthy of success and love, you'll naturally take actions that reflect those beliefs. You'll pursue your dreams with confidence, attract healthy relationships, and radiate an energy that draws people in. However, if your beliefs contradict your excitement, your engine sputters. You might desire a fulfilling career, but limiting beliefs about your abilities will hold you back. To unlock the full potential of high excitement, you must align your beliefs with your deepest desires. Section 4. Excitement versus anxiety. Discerning the compass of your emotions is an essential skill for navigating life's complexities. Many people confuse excitement with anxiety, often mistaking one for the other. Both emotions can manifest as a feeling of heightened energy, a rush that courses through your veins, but they stem from very different places within us. Anxiety is rooted in fear, worry, and doubt. It's a state of mind that often leaves us feeling overwhelmed and paralyzed. It's a state of resistance, pushing away what you desire, creating a barrier between you and your goals. Excitement, on the other hand, is rooted in joy, passion, and anticipation. It's a feeling that propels us forward, filling us with a sense of purpose and enthusiasm. It's a state of welcoming the possibilities that lie ahead, embracing the unknown with open arms. Learning to distinguish between these two emotions is crucial for personal growth and emotional intelligence. Anxiety feels constricted, like a knot in your stomach, a tightness that makes it hard to breathe. Excitement feels expansive, like a surge of energy throughout your body, a lightness that lifts you up. Pay attention to your body's signals. They will guide you in understanding your true feelings. Practicing mindfulness can help you become more attuned to these signals. By being present in the moment, you can better discern the subtle differences between excitement and anxiety. Journaling your thoughts and feelings can also provide clarity. Writing down your experiences allows you to see patterns and triggers that may not be obvious at first glance. Seeking support from others, whether through therapy or support groups, can offer valuable insights and perspectives. Sometimes an outside viewpoint can help you see things more clearly. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and relaxation exercises can help calm your mind and body, making it easier to distinguish between these emotions. Setting clear goals and intentions can also help. When you know what you want, it becomes easier to recognize whether your feelings are pushing you towards or away from your objectives. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Recognizing and appreciating your progress can boost your confidence and reduce anxiety. Visualization can be a powerful tool. Imagine yourself succeeding and feeling excited about the future. This can help shift your mindset from anxiety to anticipation. Finally, connecting with nature can provide a sense of peace and grounding. Spending time outdoors can help you reset and gain a clearer perspective on your emotions. By understanding and discerning the compass of your emotions, you can navigate life with greater ease and confidence, embracing excitement and managing anxiety effectively. Section 5. Inspired Action. The bridge between desire and reality. High excitement isn't passive. It's not about sitting back and waiting for your dreams to manifest. Instead, it's about taking inspired action. When you're aligned with your excitement, you'll feel compelled to take action. These actions might not always be logical or planned. They might come as intuitive nudges, sudden bursts of inspiration, or unexpected opportunities that present themselves. The key is to trust your gut and take action. Even if you don't have all the answers, the universe will meet you halfway. Section 6. Embracing the unknown. How excitement fuels skill development. Stepping outside your comfort zone can be daunting, but it's in those moments of discomfort that you grow the most. When you're excited about something, you're more likely to embrace challenges and develop the skills necessary to achieve your goals. That excitement fuels your determination, making the learning process enjoyable and rewarding. You'll find yourself naturally gravitating towards new information, mentors, and experiences that support your growth. Embrace the unknown. It's where the magic happens.